In this video, I will show you how to upload movie clips on YouTube without copyright. So with YouTube, there is actually a policy which is called the Fair Use Policy, and what this entitles you to do is actually upload movie clips or any copyrighted content if you are presenting it in an informative or like an educational way. So the fair use guidelines, they can actually be found on Google. You can just go do a Google search, and of course if you want YouTube's exact fair use guidelines, then there's plenty of information out there. So you can even go into YouTube's policies itself and just look directly on the website for their fair use guidelines. Now, as a general rule of thumb, it's better for the movie clips to be under 7 seconds long. So you could use it, for example, if you're doing a review of a movie. So you could have your face obviously talking about the movie, and now and again you could put a clip of the movie into that. And of course, because you're talking over the top of the movie clip and you're adding information or educational value, then this should meet the terms of the fair use policy. Now, what you want to do as well is in your video description, you want to actually add a disclaimer, which I've got here and I will leave in the video description down below. So you can just copy and paste this and use it in your own video description. And I've designed this specifically for the fair use policy. So you can see it says copyright disclaimer under section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statutes that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favour of fair use. So, of course, any videos you upload where you've got movie clips, you want to just put this at the bottom of your video description, and of course take a good look through the guidelines to see the do's and don'ts of what's okay to use and basically what falls in line with the fair use guidelines. Now, you do want to check the laws because it does differ slightly from country to country. So for example, the laws in the US on fair use are slightly different to the laws in the UK. But of course, if you do go through the guidelines and, you stick to the guidelines, you should be okay with uploading movie clips and not receiving any kind of copyright on your YouTube channel. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, then be sure to leave a like and also be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. And if you are looking for more tutorials, tips and tricks for YouTube, then make sure you click the on-screen prompt. That's going to take you across to a playlist of my current tutorials, tips and tricks for YouTube. So I just want to take a minute to thank you for watching this video, and with that being said, I will see you in the next video.